Welcome to our video, where I will show you how to make green tea lemonade for weight loss. Let's get into it, shall we? People are becoming more aware of the health effects of carrying around extra weight and are looking for innovative recipes that can help them lose some pounds. One such beverage that's gaining popularity among health-conscious people is green tea lemonade. Besides being absolutely delicious and refreshing, it is simple to make, plus the ingredients, green tea, lemon, honey, and cinnamon, are readily available in your kitchen. However, the best part is that these ingredients support weight loss. Here's a look at the benefits of these ingredients for weight loss. Green tea. Green tea contains the antioxidant epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which helps burn fat and also keeps your metabolism rate high. EGCG has the potential to increase fat oxidation, which highlights the anti-obesity effects of green tea. Ingestion of green tea extract can increase fat oxidation during moderate intensity exercise and can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose tolerance in healthy young men. Lemon. Vitamin C helps your body burn more fat, and lemon is one of the best sources of this vitamin. Getting an adequate intake of vitamin C helps the body burn 30% more fat during exercise. The polyphenols in lemons act as antioxidants and help stimulate the liver to burn fat. Plus, lemon is high in pectin fiber, which helps fight hunger cravings and keeps you feeling full longer. Honey. Honey is another important ingredient that promotes weight loss. Honey has a slow effect on blood sugar compared to regular table sugar. This aids in controlling appetite and maintaining weight. Cinnamon. For best weight loss results, cinnamon also plays a key role. However, cinnamon alone cannot result in weight loss. Eating fewer calories and following a strict exercise routine is a must. A 2006 study, published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, notes that cinnamon extract helps improve body composition by increasing lean mass and decreasing body fat. Let us know what you think. Keep us in the loop with your weight loss success. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.